How to fix and solve a Facebook app half screen problem. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, go ahead and open up Settings application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, scroll below and then tap on General. From here, tap on iPhone storage. Now once you are inside the iPhone storage, search for Facebook and then tap onto it. Now once you are inside here, simply tap on Upload app and then tap on Upload app again. Offloading the application will help you to free up the storage used by Facebook and will also help you to clear the cache. Now once it is uploaded, make sure to reinstall the application again. Now once done, head back to your home screen and then open up App Store. Once you are inside the App Store, in the search bar, search for Facebook. And once you search for it, in the blue button, if it says update instead of open, simply tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Now once it is updated, head back to your home screen and then restart the Facebook app. Sometimes a simple restart is all you need. So go ahead and close the Facebook app completely and then reopen it to see if the problem persists. Now the next step would be to simply go ahead and long press Facebook, tap on Remove App, tap on Delete App, and then tap on Delete again. Once it is deleted from your device, make sure to reinstall the application again. Now once it is reinstalled in your device, you simply have to go ahead and restart your device and then your problem will be fixed. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.